in the pit for 24 hours. Usually the pit is built with mud and river rock, or nowadays since they provide the same rock that the bricks, the fire bricks, so they use the fire bricks instead. So these spices, as you could see, and as you notice, that our spices are similar from our surrounding countries, especially India, Africa, is because of the huge spice trade. So this is what actually put all our taste buds, what we taste today, is from the spice trade of cumin, turmeric, ginger. So this is what made what we taste today in the Gulf, is because of the spice trade. So the spices consist of 14 spices. That's what makes it special. And usually during the festive season, Shuwa is not a one-person job. So it's not one person, one chef doing everything. It's usually a whole village helping to make the Shuwa, which is barbecue and which is cooked under the ground. And it starts with one person going to choose the carcass in the family, which is the hardest job, of course, because if he comes